Music is why I wake up in the morning. It's why I persist to take the next breath that will keep me going. It's something that fills the emptiness where something once was. The way it feels, the way it pulses and flows. Music makes sense when there's nothing else, and nothing else would really make sense without music, I guess. It's symbiotic, the type of relationship you get when one thing truly needs, another to go on. I used to hear it, and then I lost it. And I was really lost for a while. But now I understand it. Now I feel it. And it feels free.